my name is Drew Woolcott with the Woolcott Team. Each week going forward, we will share an update on the real estate market with you. We want to give you the same access to the numbers and information that we have so that you can determine what, if any, actions might be prudent to take with your real estate assets. We are still in the early days of COVID-19, and consequently its impact on the market is difficult to foresee. What we can share with you is what is actually happening in the real estate market and the economy as a whole. Let's look at what is happening in terms of sales and listings year over year. From April 1 to April 14, 2020, 159 properties sold in the core Hamilton-Burlington market versus 533 in the same period last year. So, sales are 29.8% of what they were last year. The number of new listings in the same area followed that trend, with 364 new listings in the first 2 weeks of April this year, compared to 885 in 2019. So, listings in this period were 41% of the previous year. Sales are falling at a more rapid rate than are the number of new listings. This means that the inventory of available housing will begin to accumulate as more homes are coming onto the market than are selling, creating an imbalance. The thing to watch here is whether this trend continues, because if it does, there will be downward pressure on home prices. Another important data point to follow is the Bank of Canada's monetary report, which was released just yesterday. The bank's analysis of alternative scenarios suggests that the level of real activity will be 15 to 30% lower in the second quarter than in the fourth quarter of 2019. To that end, the Bank of Canada is putting measures in place to help keep credit flowing to borrowers during this time and to keep the economy from coming to a complete standstill. If prices do fall and you have a short-term need to sell, you may want to consider taking advantage of the market now ahead of that event. Short-term in real estate is generally considered to be less than 3 years. If you are a new buyer to the market, you may want to follow the trend closely, because if continued, buying opportunities will arise. Those wanting to move up and those wanting to move down will be affected oppositely. We will keep you abreast of the market, and feel free to contact us at any time to discuss how these trends might have an impact on your specific real estate needs and plans. In the meantime, enjoy your home and stay safe at the same time.